Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the up-down counters in Siemens PLC logo. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my Soft Comfort software version 8.3 and here we will create a new program. Or this old also we can use, but when I create the new design, after you will be understand how we can create the new diagram. Sorry, this IP address of my PLC, and that's you can click OK. After hardware type, IO settings, have many settings you like to make setting, you can make setting. Otherwise, just click OK and your new program will be open. And which language you like to be select, for example, here have a this icon for language. This is if you like to convert this language in ladder language. After this will be converted in ladder language. Same, just only bus on one click. I will again click. After this will be FBD language, and second click you can see your ladder language. Ladder language in you have to be choose first one open contact, which is I will place at address we will give the I0.1, and second contact one more contact we will be choose, and the same this we will be choose here for input 2 second one, and one more we will be choose for 3 because one we will make for reset, and one is we used for this up and one is for down. So next we have to be choose that counter up down counter. Here you can see up down counter section, and just here you can when click this you will be place it here. And third one you have to be, I'll make it little zoom after you will be understand about the same. This I will connect this line just to here. This is for a reset. As per same in picture you can see this is R means reset, and CNT means counting for up or down, means total only here is the counting signal we can give, and this is DR means direction, which direction you like to choose, plus or minus, you need to up counting use or down counting use. This in logo PLC little have different. It is giving the direction in one signal gives at the direction, but in other PLCs have just two different signals coming up and down will be separate is available. But in this logo PLC you have to be give the signal at one point, after you will get the direction. This we can connect with this CNT. This is our counting I0.2, and this I3 is our for using for direction. And so this wiring is completed, and this wire also we can connect it I1 signal, and here we will connect the I2 signal, and here we can connect the I3 signal. And last one more thing, we have to be one open contact have to be used for our output. Which output we like to be used, that's for example high state cursor key. Yeah, this is C0 up down counter, you can see it here. Click it on this one and click OK. After you open contact you can use of the C1, and just connect this line at the main, and one output we will be choose from here relay coil with the C1, and this also you can connect with this output. So almost our program is completed, and only just you have to be give for if comments, you can give it here comments. For example, this I will make for rst reset and click ok, and this is reset, and this is our counting section. Up, down, select here, up slash, sorry, d or up down count, and click ok. And this we have to be delete, and this I3 we will give the comment for direction. And this is C1 is open contact of our counter, and this is our output. Sorry, here comment area you have to be select output. And this in the hardware I show you in camera, this one push button I selected for reset, and second push button I am select for, this is signals up or down counting, and this third one is I used for direction. This is push buttons. This third one you have to be choose the selector switch basically, because of this is you have to be give the signal for continue. Maybe this is hold or not hold, I don't know, but we have to be check in this first program. First we will download this program into the PLC, and test on click ok. Sometimes computer IP address when we change or something, after this will be took little time. IP address is successfully added. Because of we are creating the new program, so that first time it took little time. Sorry, one also we made one mistake. This is 192.168 we have to be right, so this is why not accessing, because of we have to be IP address wrong choose. Now it will be connect immediately. See, this is as you wrong something, it will be not connect. Put in stop mode, also you can see it's now asking for stop mode, and no same no subnet he says. So again we have to be check the properties, Ethernet connections. Yeah, 19 here we have to be also put 8, and after click it on ok. So now it will be connect immediately inshallah. Test. Once we will make it the refresh, and after we will again check. Yeah, this is now selected our, this is MAC address of the PLC, and this is our IP address, and click it OK. And if you like to put the test again, this one select and test, it will be mixy. Now it's OK, and click OK, and now program is downloading to the PLC. Overwrite, overwrite, yes, yes. There is some have mistakes. Yeah, now it's okay. Now just we also first check with the simulation, and you can see here, sorry, one more thing, we're not giving the values or to our values to our counter, because of we have to be define the values we like to be off, on, or we have to need to be on or off. If we like to be make it on, means on delay, for example 5 counts or 6 counts, how much any 5 counts we put 5 counts after we like to be on our output, so we have to be define here 5 and click OK, and after again we have to be download this program. And put in run mode and select it. And now this one first I will put this one in reset. Everything is now reset, and here now I will start the counts, and you can focus on this one, our Q1, because of when counts are completed, one count is complete, 2 and 3 and 4, and as 5 our output is now on. And if I give more counts it will be increased, but if I make it I1 signal, after it will be reset. And if I like to be make the down counting, so I have to be first choose this one I3 signal, and after again I will give the signal at I2. After you can see it's going to down, and output will be off, output will be not off, because of this counting we are set point choose it here for 5 for on delay, yani means on, after it will be off. So again we will check this one 5 counts after this one on, and when I give the signal, after output will be off, and again I give the signal first, again 1 2 3 4 and 5, and our output is off, on, sorry. And when you like to be reset, make it here reset, your output will be goes to reset. And if you like to be reduce, means down counting have to be used, so you have to be must choose it here off condition, because of you like to be counting in off position. So first of all I will show you in my camera also, because of hardware I connected already with my PLC. This is our PLC is now in running mode, and I give the signals. At first I will make it reset. This is reset, 5 counts are we set it in the PLC, that's must be remind. And as I give the signals at this push button, 1 signal, 2 signal, 3, 4 and 5 as completed, our output will be on. And as I give the signal at I0.1, look like I1, this will be go to reset. And if we like to be down counting use, So we have to be select this one, stop the simulation, and again you have to be double click at the counter, and we have to be this one, make it 0, and here we have to be count 5, for example 5 counts we have to be put, and click enter, and you can see here the 5 is displayed. And again you have to be download in the PLC. So I will download the program. Now we will use the down counting. First PLC have to be go to stop mode, and after we will be check. This is at the down counting, and we will make simulation or not simulation. Our program is downloading successfully, but now you can see it's now is ready for down counting. So we have to be give the signal at I0.3 first, and after we have to be choose the signal for down counting I0.2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this is now is stopped. Again I will make the reset. Yeah, we don't need to be continue this push one. First just only we have to be give the signal, and after we have to be I1 dot I2 give the signals for 5 countings, and after you can see our output is off. And again when we give the reset signal, after this is our output is again on, because of we are using for at the off condition. When our counts 5 counts are completed, after our counter needs to be off or on our output. So hope guys you will be understand about this counting, how we can choose the counter in Logo PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.